All right, Pringles. Let's see what you got. Those are pretty good. Got a little heat to them.